Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to the Maltina Nourishment Tour, Professor M's lab series, where we get to learn about nourishment using fun science experiments with items that you find in your home. I'm Professor M, and with me are my lab partners,
Vicky
and
Josh.
Today we are going to learn about how plants get their nourishment from the soil. So Vicky, what materials do we need?
Cups, water, lolly sticks, food coloring, and strips of tissue.
Awesome!
Let's go!
First, we pour water into cup 1, 3, and 5. Next, we take food coloring. In cup 1, we put about 4 drops. Next, you pick up your tissue and fold it in half like this. Put it into cup 1 and cup 2. Cup 2 and cup 3. Cup 3 and cup 4. Cup 4 and cup 5. And if you notice, cup 2 and cup 4 are
Empty.
That's right.
What's happening? It's changed!
This process is called capillary action. Exactly what happens with plants when through their roots they absorb nutrients in the soil, pass it through their stems all the way to their leaves. Similar to how your blood moves nutrients to your bones and teeth to make sure you stand tall and strong.
Nourishing me, nourishing you.
Is it doing that right now?
Yes, it is. The Maltina you're drinking is fortified with calcium, nourishing you from inside out. Pretty cool, right? I know. Science is fun when you do it yourself. You learn, you explore while sharing happy moments with everyone. Go ahead, do this experiment at home. Tag Maltina. We would love to see your experiments.